Your Samsung phone won't turn on? Droigy has a solution. Whether you find that your Samsung won't turn on after waking up, or your Samsung phone suddenly shuts down and won't turn on while playing a game, or your Samsung not turning on while charging, you can follow me to solve it. Here are the steps to fix Samsung phone won't turn on. Press the power button and volume down button at the same time and hold both buttons for more than 10 seconds until you see the Samsung logo. Once completed, your phone will enter the home screen and can be used normally. If the forced restart does not solve your problem, click the video link in this video to see more solutions for Samsung phone not turning on.